Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing a chocolate sponge cake with whipped cream. And if you want my chocolate sponge cake recipe, just go ahead and let me know in the comment section and I can go ahead and get that ready for you. And let's get started on the cake. And this is my sponge cake. I had baked this the morning of. I had it cooled completely upside down and releasing it from the pan. And I made this in my 8-inch cake round. And I've had my cake slicer for a while, but I decided to try it out today. It works pretty well. I'm doing 3 layers of my chocolate cake. And as you can see, it's nice and soft and fluffy. I'm going to use my springform cake with some plastic in between. Here I have some chocolate whipped cream. I added some cocoa powder into my whipping cream. I'm just putting that in a piping bag. I'm adding a small dollop to the bottom of my cake board just so that my cake doesn't move around. Now that my cake is in place, I can go ahead and tighten up my springform. And now in goes the second layer. So now I'm going to add some more whipped cream to my chocolate. And this will just give it a lighter tone. And I'm looking to go from dark to light with my frosting to give it somewhat of an ombre look. And here goes the second layer of my whipped cream. And on goes the last layer. I just flipped my cake upside down to make it a nice flat top. And with the Wilton 6B tip, I just went in with the regular whipped cream. And I'm piping dollops onto the top of my cake. I'm finishing piping my cake, and then I am going to place this into the refrigerator for a couple of hours just so that it gets nice and solid, and then I'm going to take it back out and show you what it looks like. And here is the final look of my cake. Let's go ahead and take off the plastic. My frosting looks great. It has a nice soft ombre look to it. Hopefully you guys like my tutorial on how I did this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you all in my next video.